इस वीडियो में हम पाकिस्तान स्टडीज के मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस कवर करेंगे। पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु proposed the name पाकिस्तान? आंसर है, चौधरी रहमत अली is credited with proposing the name Pakistan for a separate Muslim homeland in British India. Next है, who was the last viceroy of India? The last viceroy of India was Lord Mountbatten. Next है, when was Indian National Congress established? The Indian National Congress was established in 1885. Next है, what is the ideology of Pakistan? The ideology of Pakistan is based on the principles of Islam and the two-nation theory, which emphasizes the separate identity and interests of Muslims in the Indian subcontinent. Next है, who was Mujib Rehman? Mujib Rehman was a Bengali nationalist politician and the founding father of Bangladesh. Next है, what was the main substance of Rowlatt Act? Answer है, Rowlatt Act allowed the police to search any place and arrest any person without a warrant. The person could be kept in police custody without trial. Next है, where did Mr. Jinnah present his famous 14 points? Answer है, Mr. Jinnah presented his famous 14 points at the All India Muslim League session in Delhi in 1929. Next है, when was one unit created and when was it dismembered? The one unit scheme was created in 1955 and dismembered in 1970. Next है, what is the literal meaning of bhakti? Bhakti literally means devotion or attachment. Next है, who gave the statement, there should not be contradiction between the words of God and works of God? Sir Syed Ahmad Khan gave this statement. Next है, what is the name of Bacha Khan's autobiography? Bacha Khan's autobiography is titled My Life and Struggle. Next है, who started the nationalization of banks in Pakistan? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto started the nationalization of banks in Pakistan. Next है, what is the status of Council of Islamic Ideology? The Council of Islamic Ideology is a constitutional body in Pakistan that advises the government on Islamic aspects of legislation. Next है, how many seats are reserved for women in the National Assembly of Pakistan? There are 60 seats reserved for women in National Assembly of Pakistan. Last one है, who is the author of the book The Reluctant Fundamentalist? Answer है, Mohsin Hamid is the author of the book The Reluctant Fundamentalist.